Welcome to the Webdadi tutorial video for adding a new VIA user. Once you've logged into your VIA software, you'll need to navigate to the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on the Users item. Now click on Manage. This will open up a new tab where you'll see a list of current users that are already set up on the system. From here, click on the Add User button. Fill out each of the boxes and change the password to a password of your choice. You will need to assign the person a role within your organisation, which will determine the privileges that they have on the VIA software. You can see the user access for each of these roles in a yellow box underneath the role chosen, so you can decide on the most appropriate privileges for the user. Once all boxes are filled out and completed, then click the blue Save button in the top left-hand corner of the screen. This has now saved the user and will send them an email with confirmation of the username and password for VIA. You've now successfully added a new user for the VIA software.